Stop guessing which adhesive to use for your repairs. Your DIY fixes deserve the right bonding agent. Today we compare two household heroes, super glue and epoxy. They seem similar, but their uses differ greatly. Choosing incorrectly wastes time and effort. We will explore their unique chemical properties, discover when to use each for lasting results. Get ready to master your adhesive applications. First, let's understand the mighty super glue. Its scientific name is cyanoacrylate adhesive, invented in 1942 by Harry Coover at Kodak. It cures rapidly by reacting with moisture. This means water vapor in the air starts the bond. It forms a strong, rigid, clear bond quickly. Ideal for small, non-porous surface repairs. Think broken plastic toys or ceramic items. However, it offers limited gap-filling capabilities. Also, it can be brittle under strong impact. Now, let's turn to the robust two-part epoxy. It combines a resin and a hardener component. Mixing them initiates a chemical reaction. This curing process creates a powerful thermoset polymer. Epoxy was developed in the 1930s by Pierre Caston. It provides exceptional strength and durability, excellent for filling gaps and bonding uneven surfaces. Use it for metal, wood, concrete, or larger breaks. It resists chemicals, heat, and water effectively. Curing time is significantly longer than super glue. Often takes hours, sometimes even overnight, to fully harden. Proper mixing ratio is crucial for its strength. So, when should you choose each adhesive? For a quick fix on a smooth, tight-fitting break, super glue.
Example: fixing a small tear on a plastic model car.
For structural repairs needing gap filling and strength, epoxy. Example: reattaching a broken wooden chair leg. Super glue is for convenience, speed, and precision. Epoxy is for heavy-duty, long-term, and flexible bonds. Consider the material, stress, and required drying time. Always clean surfaces thoroughly before application. Proper surface preparation is key for any successful bond. Understanding these adhesives empowers your DIY projects. Super glue for speed, epoxy for ultimate strength. No more weak repairs or wasted valuable time. Make every home fix a lasting, professional success. If you enjoyed this, hit subscribe for more deep dives.